How much are these apples for?
Madam, they are 150 rupees a kilo.
150 rupees a kilo. Aren't you asking for too much?
Madam, look at the size and quality of the apples.
Please tell me how much you can give them to me for. I will definitely not pay you 150 rupees a kilo.
Madam, how much would you like to buy?
I need at least 2 kilos of apples. I would also like to buy some bananas and oranges.
Madam, you can pay me 100 rupees for a kilo. Please select the ones that you would like to buy.
Please make sure that you give me a good rate for the oranges and bananas also. I hope the fruits are sweet.
I will give them to you at the best possible price. Don't worry about the quality of my fruits, they are good. I am sure you will come back to me for more after you have purchased from me once. Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found a good channel for study.
Great, like the video, share it to your school friends, subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.